Okay, everyone, we're at the Kankakee Sands Nature Conservancy, where the buffalo roam. There's Judy with me. Check this out for the very first time, but I've been out here many times because I was out here before this building was ever here. It was just all sand, and I was the electrical contractor, did all the electrics, including the data, cabling, phones, etc. on this project. So it's kind of a big little building. It's out in the middle of nowhere. We're just south of Lake Village, Indiana, of course. And see up front here's the offices. And it was done in steel studs. It's actually a pole barn, so outside it's steel roof, steel skin on the outside. And there's drywall in there. And we actually use conduit out here, even though we found out later we didn't have to, because we got here. Conduit is not required for a commercial job. So out there, I think I do see some way out there, maybe the bison roam, the buffalo. So this is the building here. So we came way out here. This is about 10 years ago or so. 2012 actually, I think. And started construction on this. And they bought the bison in 2016. So there they are, the bison, way out there. And so we can't go beyond this point here. Staff only, it says. We got to go back down 41 to the public viewing area if we want to see them. And we may not, because we are on a mission to look at houses. But I just wanted to see it. It looks great. Over 10 years later, now they got this little silo thing here, the pavilion actually, not a silo, it looks like the top of a silo, but little picnic area here, parking, Santa can, you know, and a trail that was here. And it's really interesting because in the spring, wildflowers and that, and, you know, you could used to take the trail, but I think that's the buffalo grazing area now. So it's, oh, bison and pasture is what it is. The fence is electrified. And yeah, Unit K trail. Wipe your feet. Look at that. This is quite nice. I can't tell you how nice it is out here. It's a sunny day, right, Judy?
It's awesome.
It's
I
awesome.
never saw anything like it.
Yeah, it's awesome. But good to see our building project has held up through the years, and it looks great. Out in the middle of nowhere here, just north of Morocco, Indiana. Next stop is Kentland, after Morocco.
See the bison way out there?
Yes, the bison are out there. Yep. I see.
That sign.
Okie dokie, cutting off from the sands.